How to set up overdraft protection with Bank of America. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up overdraft protection with Bank of America. So let's get started. First up, open up a web browser and simply search for Setup Overdraft Protection with Bank of America. After you do that, you'll find this Enroll in Balance Connect for Overdraft Protection. So as you might have guessed that for your overdraft protection, you will need to enroll in Balance Connect. So open that up. After you open that up, here you will see that you can do this by going to the banking app. So you can simply open up the banking app of Bank of America, then log in into your account. Then after you do that, you can select the checking account you wish to enroll for overdraft protection. After you do that, you can then go to your account page, scroll down, then you will see account management, tap on that. And under account management, you will need to tap on Balance Connect for overdraft protection. So here you can see by default, it should be off. So simply toggle this button on, and after you toggle the button on, you can then tap to choose a backup account. Then simply select your backup account. You can, as it says here, you can select up to 5 backup accounts. Then you can finally tap on Next. And again, after you tap on Next, you'll have to save it. Then finally confirm. You will receive a confirmation at the top like this. Then you're basically good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.